What's going on, everybody? It's been a while since I posted a video, and tonight I'm dealing with a little situation where we got no lights here on a trunk lid light assembly. It's got no lights, and pretty much we just kind of investigated, checked to see if we had power and ground, and we're actually getting no ground for a minute, and then we did, and then we didn't. We're doing a little wiggle right here on this harness. Kind of started snooping around in there, and we found this ground wire right here. Look at that thing. Bad. Really bad. We also found this other wire right here, which was hacked to bits. Looks like it's been replaced. I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. I started investigating the rest of these wires, and look what we got. A whole bunch of bad wiring. So if you guys are having any issues here with the lighting system on the trunk lid, or the lighting module keeps giving you the short count or short circuit fault, definitely want to check your wiring. I went ahead and looked through all the wiring right there in the front of the car, made my way to the back of the car. Noticed this light was out. This whole light assembly, all the bulbs in there are actually good. So there's no reason why they shouldn't be lighting up. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this wiring problem. A couple plug connectors and down. Should be up and going. Alright guys, peace.